What's up everyone? Jason here, one of the bros from MetaBros. Thank you so much for checking out our channel. I wanted to give a quick introduction on who we are. MetaBros is all about helping to inspire you, educate, and launch your best future ideal self. We're going to be covering a lot of topics like in crypto, NFTs, cryptocurrencies, the blockchain, a lot of topics about the metaverse, how you're going to be involved in the metaverse, all of the different technologies that are going to come from the metaverse, how blockchain and crypto will play into that, how to do personal productivity, personal finance topics. There's going to be a lot that we're going to cover. We hope inspire you because we want to expose you to new ideas, different things out there, new information. We want to educate you with action-oriented content to help you grow a new business, launch new ideas, accomplish any life goals that you have. We launch by providing you with the resources and the community to take your projects to the next level. So a lot of our different content on the channel will be geared around playlists. Thank you so much for checking it out. If there are any topics that you want to cover, please go ahead and email us at metabroshow@gmail.com, or you can find us on social media on Instagram. We would love to have a conversation. Just go ahead and send us a direct message on there. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Remember to keep moving forward and keep being meta, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.